Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your bio in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Go to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture in the left hand side of your screen. Click on Edit Profile option. Now scroll down your screen and click on Edit of Bio option. Here you can see the remove option, tap on it. And that is how you can remove your bio in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.